Hello, kids. Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Let's review what we have learned last time, okay? We learned about the sound of letter Q. Big letter Q. Small letter Q is for quail. Quail. So this is a quail, okay? Again, please. Big letter Q. Small letter Q is for quail. Quail. Now let's review our English chant. Quick, quick, quick. You've got to check. Lick, lick, lick. You've got to be quick. Okay, let's repeat again. Quick, quick, quick. You've got to check. Lick, lick, lick. You've got to be quick. Okay, now let's review the words start with the letter Q. Quarrel. What is that? That's a quarrel. Quarter. What's that? Oh, what is that? That's a quarter. Quartz. What is that? That's a quartz. Okay, let's repeat. Let's repeat again, okay, so that you remember. Quarrel. What is that? That's a quarrel. Quarter. What is that? That's a quarter. Quartz. What is that? That's a quart. Okay? Okay. Now we have more words. Quarry. What is that? That's a quarry. Queen. What is that? That's a queen. Quiet. What is that? That's a quiet sign. Okay. Now today, let's learn the sound of letter R. Big letter R. Small letter R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Again, please. Big letter R. Small letter R is for rabbit. Rabbit. Okay. Now let's learn our English chant. Rain, 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 go away. So these are rain. Okay. Rain, 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 go away. Come again another day. Little rabbit run away. Little rabbit run away. Rats in rocks wants to play. Rat in rocks wants to play. Okay, let's repeat. Okay, so this is a rat, this is a rock. Okay. Okay, let's repeat. Rain, 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 go away. Come again another day. Little rabbit ran away. Rat in rocks wants to play. Okay. Now let's learn new words today. Rabbit. Okay, so this is a rabbit, okay? What is that? That's a rabbit. A rainbow. What is that? That's a rainbow. A rat. What is that? That's a rat. Okay, again, please. A rabbit. What is that? That's a rabbit. A rainbow. What is that? That's a rainbow. A rat. What is that? That's a rat. Okay, we have more. A river. Okay, so this is a river. What is that? That's a river. A rock. What is that? That's a rock. A rocket. What is that? That's a rabbit. Oh, a rocket. That's a rocket. Okay, again, please. A river. What is that? That's a river. A rock. What is that? That's a rock. A rocket. What is that? That's a rocket. Okay, very good. That's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening attentively in our lesson. See you again next time. Goodbye.